Imagine a person, let's call them Sumpter, who is, first of all, devoid of intellectual curiosity. They have no desire to acquire any kind of knowledge for its own sake, and thus is utterly indifferent to questions of science, mathematics, and philosophy. Imagine further that the beauties of nature leave Sumpter cold. They are unimpressed by the autumn foliage, the snow-capped mountains, and the rolling oceans. Long walks in the country on spring mornings and skiing forays in the winter are to them equally a bore. Moreover, let us suppose that Sumpter can find no appeal in art. Novels are dull, poetry a pain, paintings nonsense, and music just noise. The sun only a cause of sunburn. Suppose finally that Sumpter has no talent for any kind of handicraft, industry, or commerce, and that they do not regret that fact. What then is Sumpter interested in? They must desire something. To be sure, they do. Sumpter has an overwhelming passion for, a complete preoccupation with, their own happiness. The one exclusive desire of their life is to be happy. Will Sumpter be able to satisfy their desire to be happy?